It was on the June 9th, 2024. Inside Karigar, the Disneyland of Skills, the team members, students, and volunteers were checking with each other and every corner, starting from the banner to the burner. In a blink, it was 11 a.m. The team braced themselves with warm smiles and longing eyes towards the gate. In no time, the gate was broad enough with skills and repair enthusiasts flooding in. To the enthusiast's vision, it was as expected, full of surprises. Skills on wheels, ready to demonstrate mobile skilling. Gardening and agriculture team with unique natural products and lessons to learn. An artist on the way with his colorful art. And then the Mela starts. As we enter the hall, little geniuses everywhere with the products they handmade during their summer school hands-on learning. And even alums were spotted. As we zoom, we spotted a room with little doctors, checking our vision, pressure, and awareness. Happiness increases as one steps out to check out fun animations and electromagnetic creations, driving us down to some drooling tastes and energizers. Further ahead was the space of energy and repair. Repair enthusiasts put their hands on their gadgets with hope, guided by the experts in the lab. It was fun till now. What next? More fun. Yes, enter the engineering lab for some entertaining games and engaging drills. Such thrills. How was it actually? Let's hear it from the enthusiasts.
सुनंदा आणि राजेशनी आम्हाला इथे बोलावलं, इन्व्हाइट केलं आणि आम्हाला इतका आनंद झाला इथे येऊन. मुलांना पुढचे आयुष्याचे स्किल्स देण्यात किती महत्त्वाचं आहे आणि तुम्ही किती लहानपासून मोठ्यापर्यंत मुलांना हे स्किल्स देऊ शकता.
My name is Darshana Shah and I have been to Karigar earlier. I have done some repairs before. I had repaired a lamp before. So I always look forward to this Mela where I can see everything together. Today I did this, my iron was not working. So I changed the cable and the students there, they helped me and I'm so happy that I did this on my own. And I'm always looking forward to this repair cafe and I feel many people, others also with the children, they should come here and learn a lot of new things.
From the students and the team.
आम्ही कारागीरमध्ये आलो आहे. आता इथं इलेक्ट्रिकल, फूड लॅब, परत मेकॅनिकल, गार्डनिंग, पेंटिंग हे सगळे लॅब्स आहेत. तर इथे काही शिक्षक आम्हाला म्हणजे हे करायला आले, साहित्य घ्यायला आलेत. आम्ही फक्त विकायचं काम करतो. आम्ही इंट्रोडक्शन त्यांना देतो साहित्याबद्दल की कसं आहे ते, किती प्राईज आहे त्याची. आज मला खूप भारी वाटतं. आम्ही हे स्टडी लॅम्प बनवलेला आहे ज्यामध्ये आम्ही सिंपल वायरिंग यूज केलेली आहे. हा आपण स्टडी करताना यूज करू शकतो आणि मला हे करताना खूप भारी वाटत होतं आणि आम्ही हे करताना खूप एन्जॉयमेंट खूप केलेला है.
आज हम स्किल मेला कारीगर पे आए हैं. तो जो हाथ का जो कारीगरी है वो हम इधर दिखा सकते हैं. हमारा जो स्किल है इधर हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और इस मतलब एक खुशी भी मिल रहा है कि हमें प्रेजेंट करके इस सेल भी करने वाले हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है इधर आके.
The enthusiast energy sustained even after 6 p.m. That was for you, the Skills and Repair Mela 2024.